Hello, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're visiting 621 5 Mile Drive, just a hop skip from downtown Ithaca. And this is a 1930 craftsman style bungalow, and as you can see, it has beautiful hardwood floors, original woodwork, and so many recent improvements that you will be as snug as a bug in a rug. This sweet bungalow has a great layout, good flow, and comfortable sized rooms. And it's ready for you. It has a 30-year roof, high efficiency furnace, central AC, all new appliances, updated electric, and all new plumbing too. Live close to the Cayuga Waterfront Trail, Ithaca Beer Company, and West End restaurants and breweries. And it's Cayuga Heights Elementary School. 621 5 Mile Drive is waiting for you.